In this video, we will cover the concept of using tags within Adobe Captivate Prime. Tags are used to manage the data, including courses, job aids, content, programs, certifications, and so forth, so that they're easily searchable. It also makes it easier for administrators, managers, and so forth to be able to identify groups of materials that are tagged the same way and perhaps create bundles or other packages of training for their learners. Let's go ahead and take a look at where tags are managed and a couple attributes of tags. So we'll go and log in as an administrator. Now over on the left hand side under manage, we'll see at the bottom there is tags. Now tags are used to tag learning with relevant categories or specific keywords so that they're easily searchable and visible to learners as well as administrators and authors who may be trying to access certain content. So currently these are all the tags that are within the system. Now the way that things are by default is that both admins and authors can create tags. However, if you're looking to create some level of control just for administrators, you can set the system so that only administrators are able to create tags and authors can only leverage tags that are already created. Let's go back to tags. So let's go ahead and add a tag. Go up to add and we'll type in here computer admin as the tag. Once we're done, we need to go ahead and create a comma or semicolon. And that then confirms that tag. We'll go ahead and select create. So let's go ahead and now apply this tag to a course. Now in order to do that, we'll go ahead and log in as an author and we'll go to our courses and we'll apply that tag to our video test course. So we'll find the tags to be located under settings and you'll see down here that we can go ahead and assign a tag. We'll edit this course and in here we'll just simply start typing computer and we'll see the computer admin tag shows up. Once we've added the tags for this course, we can go ahead and republish that course. Now the advantage to using these tags, for example, is that if I'm signed in as a learner and I'm looking for a course about computer administration, I can go up to the search bar and start typing computer administration. And I can see all the results assigned. And I can look at the tags assigned with that computer administration and I can choose the course. There's a number of different ways to use tagging. Just consider it as metadata and gives you the ability to organize and search for content throughout the learning platform. So this was a quick summary on tags within Adobe Captivate Prime.